Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to assess risks, suggest mitigating measures, and follow up risks in Omega 365.
We start off here on the home page and we'll start by clicking on the menu button in the top left. Then we will look up the Risk Register app. The Risk Register opens and here you'll see the details section on the left and the Risk Register on the right. To create a risk, press New Risk. Following this, you will need to select a name for the risk, which org unit, and also who's responsible. Then select the status of the risk, whether it's cancelled, closed, open, verified, or accepted. The risk can either be a threat or an opportunity, which you will need to decide. The risk is now added into the system. To suggest a mitigating measure, click Create New on the right side of the page. Here you will need to select a process, for example a mitigating measure, then add a title and a description. Here you can also add objects, additional access, and you can share it with other org units. Next, you can add assessments and follow up the risk. Click Add New Assessment. Select the value and probability of the risk. Leave a comment on the assessment. You will have a consequence matrix where you select probability and how it relates to the consequence. In the consequence assessment here, we can fill in our minimum and maximum values depending on the budget. The app will help calculate the expected value for you. After this, click Finish Assessment. By clicking on tasks, you will be able to add or edit assessments or even delete them. You can also export it as a PDF. Click Show Details to see the in-depth details of the assessment.
That wraps up this tutorial on how to assess risk, suggest mitigating measures, and follow up risks in Omega 365. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.